Welcome back, John Kleis Car Audio. Today we've got Mr. Rocky's Toyota RAV4 hybrid in, wanted Apple CarPlay, out with the old Toyota antiquated, and oh look, it's out already, and in with the new Alpine 690D double din, capacitive screen, super responsive, super fast to use, DAB radio, Bluetooth. This is a wired connection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it means it charges at the same time. I'll be back shortly to show you more of this installation, but for now, watch this little time-lapse video of our installer Matt getting on with it. There you have it. Mike's Toyota RAV4 is all finished for you and installed with its new Alpine screen. Let's turn it on and have a look for you. There we go. Looks right at home, real flush installed. We've got the DAB aerial on the passenger side of the glass just up there. Microphone is just here, and that's it turning on. Now this screen is absolutely awesome. Colours, blue, go right in with the actual Toyota lighting, which is nice. The screen is super responsive. It's so quick and it's so fluid. Absolutely brilliant screen. Probably one of the best Apple CarPlay radios for under £500 right now. It's wired CarPlay, so it requires the phone to be plugged in. Now what we've done is the factory USB for the Toyota is down here, and we've retained use of that, keeping it all original. So the customer was to plug their own Apple lead in, like that, and plug their phone in, or Android, it will work like that. It's got DAB radio, obviously I just mentioned where the aerial is. The unit supports front and rear parking cameras, so if you've got a factory camera aftermarket, you can obviously connect it up to this one. All the customer steering wheel controls still work, so volume up and down, track up and down, even phone buttons too. Yeah, looks really good. You've got HDMI input as well, so the customer wants to plug a Fire Stick in or expand with another HDMI device, you can do. And yeah, it looks really tasty in here. I do like the Alpines. Absolutely cracking unit. This is the, again, W690D. That's an installation done by ourselves, John Kleis. If you like what you see, this is our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to do with our posts, comment, feel free. And our contact details are info@johnkleis.com, or you can find a very handy WhatsApp number on our website. But for now, it's Connor and the team from John Kleis signing off. See you later.